Hello ghouls and gals, and welcome to another wonderfully spooky episode of My Vegan Test Kitchen. We're continuing our spooky themed treats this month by doing a suggestion that was given to me by my brother Alan. If you check out my makeup, you'll get a hint at what we're doing today. So my birthday is coming up and it is on the Day of the Dead, November 2nd. And so my brother asked if I could make sugar skulls, and I've never seen vegan sugar skulls made. Sugar skulls are traditionally made with eggs or meringue powder. And so today we'll be testing sugar skulls using our handy egg replacer, aquafaba, which is the juice from chickpeas in the can. This is going to be a 2-day project because the skulls have to dry overnight and set, and then the next day we're going to decorate them with royal icing, and then the royal icing has to set. But I think this will be really worth it, and I've never made sugar skulls before, so I'm really excited to try them out. If you've got any spooky suggestions, feel free to comment down below and tell me what you would like to see, or you can reach out to me on my social media, also linked down below. For the sugar skulls, you're going to need a sugar skull mold. You can either do a front and back mold without designs imprinted on them and freehand your own designs, but I got one with designs already printed in it. For our actual sugar skull mix, we're only going to need aquafaba and sugar. If you would like to know how to make the royal icing, I've got another video on that with those instructions. But with this video, I'm just going to have the royal icing already ready to go, and we're just going to decorate them together. Making our sugar skulls is going to be pretty easy. Our first step is going to be opening the can of chickpeas and measuring out our aquafaba into a large mixing bowl. Then I'm just going to beat it together until it starts to get bubbly. You don't want this to be as beaten as your aquafaba for royal icing. You just want it to be a little bubbly, and that's it. Then I'll add my sugar in and mix it by hand until I get a texture that's very sandy. This should be able to hold shape when you press it and try to mold it, because it's going to have to hold shape of the mold that you're putting it into. If it's too crumbly, just add a little bit more water to it to help it stick together better. And if it's too sticky, add some sugar to it and it'll make it sandier and keep it from sticking to your mold. Once you've got it to the right texture, you're going to take your mold and fill it up with your sugar mixture. Pack it in as tight as you can and then smooth out the back. If you're using a traditional sugar skull mold, it's going to be deeper than the one that I have, and so you'll scoop a little bit of that sugar out of the center of the mold so that it dries faster and that it's not so heavy. Be careful when you are unmolding your sugar skulls. You don't want them to break apart. Just give it a little tap or a shake and it should pop out. Once you've molded them all, it's time to set them aside for 12 to 24 hours before we begin decorating. Hello ghosts and spirits, welcome back to my culinary graveyard. That probably doesn't sound like a good thing, but anyway, welcome back. It is the next day. It's been 24 hours and my sugar skulls are set and firm. They should be firm enough for you to pick up. They're not going to fall apart. When you hold them, they're not that soft, sandy texture anymore. They've had some time to dry out. So what we're going to be doing today is decorating these bad boys with royal icing. If you don't know how to make royal icing, I actually have a video for that, which you can find linked up above, and check that out so you can know how to do this next step. But I just made it in advance, and I've got all my different colors and everything ready to go for us to start decorating. I forgot to mention in my royal icing video what I'm using for my colors, so I just wanted to show you I'm using this set of liquid dyes that I got from Amazon. It says they're vegan on the box, and I checked the ingredients just in case. But yes, this is the company. This is what the box looks like. I will link it down in the description below so that you can find it as well. It's okay if these don't turn out perfect. This is supposed to be something fun that you can do with your family and friends, and it's cute for Halloween and for the Day of the Dead. Plus it's a nice way to celebrate spooky season and everything we love about it. You can of course do any kind of decorations and designs that speak to your spirit. I am just putting some doodles on there, just going with the flow kind of situation. I decided to use these colors because they most closely represent my makeup, and I just thought it would be nice to have some fun contrasting colors. Normally sugar skulls come in a lot of bright colors and they're very fun and festive, and I just wanted to do my best to represent that and emulate that here. As you can see, this is a fun project that is just nice to do. You can get creative with your decorations, maybe get bigger skulls so you can put more detailed designs on them. But this was my first go at it, and it was just kind of fun and relaxing to do. Thanks again to my brother for recommending this video. As you can see, they don't have to be perfect, they don't have to be very fancy. This is just a cute, fun treat that you get to decorate and enjoy. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. And if you have any recommendations for any other spooky time or just decorations and food that you'd like to see, definitely comment down below and let me know. Check out my social media so you can see more photos, and also check out my Ko-Fi where I'm going to be posting original recipes, additional pictures, and a bunch of other little goodies. Thanks for joining me for another spooktacular video, and be sure to join me next week as I continue my Halloween themed treats, and into November continue fall themed treats. Until next time, it was fun decorating with you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.